check is 1 p.m. and our check-in time is 2. So we're waiting for quick room tour. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is October 15 and we're here at Palawan, Coron. Then originally our trip is going to El Nido, but we booked a flight for Busuanga. So yeah, hello Coron. Been here on 2023. Then yeah, it's been 2 years. And I am excited because naku yung mga tourist spot nga wala pa na naatuan sa mong tour ato and then sa mong tour today. So yeah, we're going to wait for the pick up time. It's 3:30 para sa muang first island tour. And then yeah, we'll update you later sa mga atuan na mga places. So guys, let me share airport outfit for the day. So this cardigan is from my sister. I just borrowed it, and then this top is from TikTok, and this pants is also from TikTok. My bag also from TikTok. So, tambayers ko sa TikTok guys, and then yeah, we'll share the link sa mga items base namoy ganahan. And also this one. And also this glasses from TikTok.
Hi.
$500 steps, not D. To Mount Tapias. Lagi. Ini makuha na. So we're here at Kuya's Kusina. You good? Eh, mga na nila, mga ngipin pa ni.
Lupad na kanila. Yeah, paborito. Sige. Inga. Kami guys.
So this is our first day and we're going to Island Happy. Hi. Let's go. Oh, this is our group.
Stay there for more than 1 hour. More than 1 hour because
Go lang ng go, tuyok ta. So guys, this is Twin Lagoon. First stop, and then also to Coral Garden na next for the snorkeling. So here's the view all over. Oh.
Try. Ikaw na magpad.
So, asa naman ta din hi? So, nami bangkero dere, kinaloyhan. Oh, straight na ta. So, we're now at CYC Beach. The Coron Yacht Club. Dito pa yun. Ay.
Tomorrow, ma'am.
Yan eh. Here we go. Kayangan Lake. Let's go hiking. So it's now 2 p.m. And the sun is very good. Oh. Let's go. Let's go to Kayangan Lake. Let's go. Hey. So sakit pag itong bagtak ba pag hapon. Another na sad ni. The legend.
Unang ka picture diri, di ba?
Naaga ni.
Mau din ito?
Oh. Hello everyone. We're going back to the boat. So, basi magkayak ni. Hello. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Then, ganiha kay outfit check ra ko kay nagdali na mi. And then, for today, it's already 5:16 p.m. and it's now October 16, Thursday. And today we have the first island tour, which is the Tour A, and we go to CYC Beach, Las Islas de Coral, Green Lagoon, Sunset Beach, Kayangan Lake, Kayangan Lagoon, and then Queen Reef. So the most amazing and most nice destination that I can say today for today's tour is the Kayangan Lagoon, and then we'll share with you the raw videos that we take for the tour today. And now we're going to rest a bit and go for dinner. Outfit check for our dinner tonight. So it's now 6. Outfit check. So let's go. Let's go everybody. So guys, I'm sa second floor. So 5 to 6 let's go. Madang patag. Duha ka hagdan na. Up na pod. Yeah. So the pool. Then sa una mo ang room tour ka na. Sa kapata. see you later for the update kung asan ni mga. So we're now at Big Mama's Pinoy Hot Pot and Grill. So we're going to have our dinner here. Go na guys! May pagka-pork barbecue na dito na first na kong choice. Hi everyone, so we're here na sa among room and then chika sa ang dinner ganiha which is Big Mama's Pinoy Hot Pot and Grill. Then among order is Bicol Express and then beef steak which is a bit expensive and then yeah, if recommend na ko siya murag dili ra worth it ang price since ang price kay 200 up and then food kay not really recommendable for me and then yeah, see you tomorrow for the day 3 and our day 2 for the island tour. Barracuda Lake. Ikalig ay sa Gunison? Wow! Ikaw di maguba ka ni. So we are now at Twin Lagoon. Then this is the first lagoon. So our second lagoon kay na dito. So yeah. So musunod lang nato nila guys. So we're going to don't hold the paddle. Don't hold the paddle.
Close your eyes and then open your mouth. Taste the holy water. Okay. Wala pong gagalaw ha. Walang gagalaw. Walang hihinga. Alauna. Alas 2. Alas 3. Ang init dito parang may umihi ah. Hop. Wala pong gagalaw. Sir, bitawan mo na yung paddle, sir. Umi-straight ka lang. Ay, baka sumabit si ma'am. Yan, sige yan. Best lang po sasabit yan ha. Hindi po sasabit yung mukha mo dyan. Sige po. Alright. Sige, best lang po sasabit yan ha. Wala po sasabit dyan. Okay. Alaw na. Sir, ma'am, magpupong itulak ma'am. Kawawa po yung nasa likod. Alaw na. Alas 2. Alas 3. Alright.
yes. So this is our last stop for this tour. So we done with our tour and we're ready for 10 p.m. So, early natapos yung tour namin today. Then, we're going to rest. Oh. Hi everyone, today is October 18 and it's our day 4 but it's the day 3 sa Muang tour, which is the Kalawit Safari Tour, and we're going to the 4 destination, which is first the Kalawit Safari, second is the Black Island, third is the Malbatut Church, and then fourth kay Basta. And then yeah, here's my outfit for today. This top is from TikTok and this skirt is also from TikTok. Then my flip top or slippers from TikTok also. So here's the outfit. Nala ko inner nga bikini guys, and then if mag swim kay the drill. So yeah. Then the update sa to ang face kay wala siya na mao. So yeah, let me update you later sa muang trip sa Kalawit, since taas-taas sa muang biyahe, tapos marang mubalik pa mi siya sa airport kay dito siya nga side. So yeah, that's it. Going na. Nagbasinaan na to. Pagpoko na sa tangkuya. Unta.
Si Maris na.
Ito na dahil kailan i-pick up. So the pick up is here.
Parang extra shirt na pan-swimming or pamalit.
Here we go. So, masakay pa rin pang boat guys to Kalawit Safari. Yan na lang. Yan na lang. Wow!
Regarding the history and also very important. Feeding ng ganito po, ano? Kasi may one time accident yung noon nito, tumama rin sa nagpipid ng ganyan sa noon.
At Black Island, and it's our second destination for the Kalawit Safari. So here's the view.
Madam, ano binibili mo, madam?
Walang stock yun, diba? Yes.
Mani mo? Yes, okay.
Hi everyone, so it's our day 5 and Wala na ni tour today. So we're going to stroll and then go to Dayok Cafe. Then attend a mass later. So, yeah, update sa Dayok Cafe if abot kami dito. Asa ka next? Ato na lang? SNR? Pwede rin tap.
Salamat po.
Hindi na off.
Picture lang na sa India.
Don't touch. Don't touch kayo.
Pa-dish out kami nito. Tapos may patuloy kayo.
Patuloy.
Oo. Isa.
May share rin pagbayad.
Kanang tayo.
Power card.
6 lagi.
Sa imuha lang dito. Wala yung wala po. Apply sa balance. Sa imuha lang dito. 6. Ang ano kay 10.
Tinuod, ginigin mo yan.
Ang short niya.
May naman sa plano ka sa magkuha.
So we done. Then now we're going to stroll around. Then go with the mass. Wala.
Dali na? Ay, no. Hindi pwede mo rin natatalo.
Okay.
Gilahin ko lang ilang.
Hi everyone, so update, we're here now sa among room and then nag-dinner me sa Playa Bar and Restaurant which is so good and I recommend this bar and resto if you're gonna visit Coron in the future or soon. Then sa among lunch guys, kay nagdayo cafe me and then good sa lang inhang food but mas i-recommend nako ang Playa Bar and Restaurant kay dagko ang ilang serving and then ang food is so good. So, yeah, and then best ang ilahang belly back ribs nga foodie. So guys, tonight we're gonna prepare our things and pack our things kay flight na namo tomorrow morning and then early me i-pick up mga 7 a.m. since our flight is 9:30 a.m. So, yeah, we're gonna pack our things now. Mista. Oh. I-pack yun na siya ha. Hi already watched, so this is now our flight. And yeah, this is the last part of this video, and see you in my next one. Bye!